Hey everyone, how everybody's doing? Just like to tell you a little bit about my open house today. Open house went very well. So happy, man. I had a big turnout today. Got a few people I was able to educate on the buying process and some programs that can help them, assist them with down payments and or closing costs. So hey, it went very well today. I'm so happy, man. Got some people that's really depending on me to get them home brought, and get one sold for them. So I cannot wait. And I love my job. Oh my goodness, I love what I do, helping people. That's always an awesome thing, and I greatly appreciate it, man. This is something that is for me, and I really do appreciate it. I have a lot of people that supported me on my new career, and I'm ever so grateful for them. And thank you all so very much. Hey, y'all have a great day. Have an unstoppable day, just like I did today. Thank you.